Hello my dear children, good morning all of you. Today for class 8, linear equation. You have already got the lesson on factorization and you have requested me for solution of linear equation. This is why I am giving the solution on linear equation from your textbook ML Agarwal. Please pay your attention on the board. Sums number exercise 12.1 sum 2 part 1. This is the sum. First you have to copy the sum. This bracket means into. That means we have to multiply 4 into 2, that is 2x, that is 8x, and this 4 you have to multiply with 1 also, that is 4. I have seen many of you are multiplying only by 2 but not by 1. You must notice attentively. You have to multiply by both terms, that is 8x, and by multiplying 1 it will be 4. Here also same thing, 3 into x, 3x, and 3 minus 1, that is minus 3, and plus 7. Then in case of linear equation, one thing vital, x, that is variable, you have to keep left hand side, and except x, that is the constant, you have to take right hand side. When you are changing the side, that is left side to right side or right side to left side, then sign will be changed. That means plus will be minus, minus will be plus, into will be divide, divide will be into. This you have to remember. This is the vital. Now see, that is 8x and here is 3x. 3x in right hand side. From right side to we are bringing left hand side. This is plus, then it will be minus 3x. And here 7 plus 7 minus 3, and this plus, that is a constant term in left hand side. That is, we have to bring right hand side. It is plus, so it will be minus. This is the vital part. You have to remember. X you have to take one side, and without x, that is constant, you have to take right hand side by changing the sign. Okay. Now we have to simplify 8x minus 3x, that is 5x, and by this we are getting 0. So x here is into, with 5 into x. This 5 we are taking right side to left side, so it will be divide 0 by 5, that is 0. So value of x is 0. The sum is completed. Next sum, 0.3 into this and this. After writing the sum, you have to multiply same way. Here the point 3 6 equal to 18. After one digit you have to point, you have to put the point. This is why 18. That means after one digit it will be 1.8. Similarly, we have to multiply x and 0.3. By multiplying we are getting this, and here also same thing we have to do. 0.4x, that is 4x, and 8 4, that is 32. After one digit we have to put point, then it will be 3.2. Same thing, we have to take x in left hand side, and without x, that the constant term we have to take right hand side. So this is why minus 3x, this is a minus 3x, and this is right hand side. When we are bringing right to left, then it will be minus, and this is 3.2, and this is minus 0.3. When it will this, not this, that is 1.8. 1.8, this is the left hand side. When it will come right hand side, then this sign will be changed. This is the plus and this will be minus. I think clear. Next we have to simplify. Minus 3x minus 0.4x, that is 0.7x, and by subtracting we are getting 1.4. Next we have to find x. This is multiply, so when it will come right to left, left to right, then it will be divide. And after one digit the decimal is given, here also one digit the decimal is given, so decimal will be cancelled. By cancellation here is minus, so answer will be minus 2. Therefore the required value of x equal to minus 2. I think it is clear. Next sum, after writing the sum, we have to take the LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2, that is 6, and 6 divided by 3, that is 2, and 2 into y plus 1. Again I am telling, we have to take the LCM 3 and 2, and that is 6. 6 divided by 3, that is 2, and these two we have to multiply y plus 1. Same thing here we have to do. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 3 into y minus 1. This here it will remain as it is. Then we have to simplify. By simplifying we are getting 2y. This and this will multiply, and 2 into 1, that is 2. Here minus 3y, minus you have to notice this attentively. Minus always it will be plus. This point you have to also notice attentively. This is the plus 3. Then we have to simplify. Minus 2y minus 3y, that is minus y, and plus 2 plus 3, that is 5. And these 3 and 6, same thing. If you see in numerator and denominator, then we may cancel in this way. This process also you have to notice attentively. This is the method. 3e by 3, that is 1. 3 by 2, that 6 divided by 3, that is 2. So here will be 2, here will be 1. Then this minus 3y plus 2, that is minus y, and 2 plus 3, that is 5 by 2, and this is 1 plus 2y by 1. Then we have to do the cross multiplication. That is, we have to multiply this and this. That means in this direction, that means this direction and this direction, we have to multiply. That means 2 into 1 plus 2y and minus y plus 5 into 1. Then we have to multiply what you have done previously. That we have to do. Then y we have to take left hand side. This is the minus, so it will be plus, and this is plus 2, it will be minus 2. Then by simplifying we are getting 5y equal to 3. Therefore y equal to 3 by 5. 3 is multiplied, so when it will come right hand side, then it will be divided. So the required value of y 3 by 5. Next sum, after writing the sum, you have to take the LCM. LCM will be the 2, and then there is nothing, that means 1. There is nothing, that means 1, and 2 divided by 1, that is 2. 2 into n, that is 2n. This part you have to notice attentively. Here 2 divided by 2, that is 1. This is the 1, and 1 into n minus 1. Same thing here we have to do LCM 3, and 3 into 1, that is 3, and 3 divided by 3, that is 1. 1 into n minus 2. In this way you have to do. Then we have to simplify. This is 2n minus n, and minus it will be plus, that is plus 1, and here also same thing, minus it will be plus. Then by simplifying we are getting n plus 1, that is 2n minus n, that is n. This is the plus. N plus 1 by 2, 3 plus 2, that is 5, then 5 minus n by 3. Then we have to do the cross multiplication. That means this multiply by this and this multiply by this. That is 3 into n plus 1 and 5 minus n into 2. This way you have to write. Then we have to multiply. By multiplying we are getting this. Then we have to take n terms, that is variable in left hand side. That is, this is in right hand side, this is the minus. When we are bringing right to left, then it will be plus. This is the minus, so it will be plus, and here is my plus, then it will be minus. So after that we have to simplify. 3n plus 2n, that is 5n, and 10 minus 3, that is 7. So n equal to 7 by 5. This division you may show or may not. Directly also you may do. By dividing we are getting the mixed fraction, that is 1 and 2 by 3, that is the value of x. And next sum, that is we have to find out the value of p. Just we have to cross multiplication. By cross multiplication we are getting, that is 6 into 5p plus 2, and this 7 into this. Then we have to multiply, and multiplying we have to simplify. By simplifying we are getting p 44, p equal to 44. Therefore p equal to 44 by 44, that is 1. Therefore the required value of p equal to 1. All the sum is completed. If you feel difficulties, then you must take the screenshot. Then at a glance you will get the solution, all the sum. If you follow the step attentively, you may sure easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.